article here. So right here, this is what I pulled up. So what can you do with cannabis in New Jersey now? Great article. Great article. New Jersey recreational cannabis market now voter approved and affected under legislation signed last week by Democratic Governor Phil Murphy. Okay, so what can you do with marijuana, bro? They be setting you up with so much filler. Where and when can you buy? Nowhere just yet. That's it. I'll keep reading, but that's so basically just your local supplier. So if the plug was holding you down, just maintain the plug at this moment because I don't think there's no need to worry about that going green unless you got the medical card. And I don't think it should be hard to get the medical card now, I guess, because it's legal.
Yeah,
So you
right.
don't need to have a reason, I assume. But no, yeah, let me read that because if you could get the medical card, I don't think you would need a reason. Um, yeah, stop. They showing this wild ass video here. Get this shit off my screen.
So
Nowhere, not just yet. Murphy signed a law that took effect immediately. The new Cannabis Regulatory Commission has set up rules and doles out licenses, and all that can take up to 6 months, according to the governor. And oh yeah, 6 months from
so
now.
what's legal then?
Yeah, let's see. There's no longer a violation of state law. You can have up to 6 ounces, 170 grams or less of marijuana, or about 3/5 of an ounce, 17 grams of hashish. Oh, I'm surprised they know the difference. It's not a crime any longer to be under the influence of marijuana or hashish or the possession. Wait, I didn't know it was a crime to be under the influence.
Well, yeah, it's called DUI. Oh, no, that's driving. But yeah, under the influence, you can get taken in for that.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah,
I wait. If comment below if you've heard this. I've never heard of that before.
yeah,
Just
being
walking down the block cooking.
yeah,
Get the fuck out of here.
yeah.
You're lying, fam.
Same if you're drunk, they can bring you in for being drunk. What's it called?
Oh, yeah, for being too intoxicated.
Yeah, but it
But
got a name.
nobody is that fried that like yo.
Nah, it happens. Um, especially if you're causing the scene. If you're out there wailing, like
All right, but see, that's not a normal, marijuana effect. So I'm just saying, like, I'm just saying, if you were just like, yo, this is some gas, I'm just cooking, I'm just baked,
yeah,
booking,
let them,
cooking.
yeah.
Nah, they ain't gonna take you in for that.
Nah, I hope not.
If you've been arrested for being under the influence, please let me know.
Probably got people for driving.
That's crazy.
I think I know of people from driving. They was blowing one down, got behind the wheel, pulled over, got a DUI, driving under the influence.
I can see that. I can see that. That makes sense. Um, so what's legal then? Oh no. So what if I'm under 21? Yeah, this was what I remember we was talking this. First offense is a written warning. The law makes it clear that a person, a parent, or guardian is not to be not to. Yeah, I had to read that twice. Is not to be notified. That's crazy. Your child just got busted with marijuana, and you're not to be.
Yeah, right.
I would kind of want to know that, especially if he has like 170 grams of gas.
You
Like,
want to know who the plug is?
yeah, like shit, especially if the plug's in my house. You feel me? But first offense is a written warning. The law makes it clear that a person's parent or guardian is not to be notified. The second offense is a written warning along with information on drug treatment services. Police must provide a copy of the second warning to those under 18, along with a notice about the first offense as well. The third offense carries a written warning, again, with the cameras in the way. Oh, my bad. I can't read that. With a referral to drug treatment services, parents and guardians would be notified of a third. Wow. So it'll take the third warning if your child is under 21 for you to be notified if they're out here plugging the streets. Holy shit.
That's off the hook.
That's beyond off the hook. Can I grow my own? The big elephant in the room. No. Home grow was sought by advocates, but ultimately was left out of the final legislation. Murphy on Monday declined to back another measure that would authorize residents to grow the marijuana plant at home. Wow.
Hmm.
That kind of hurt. That was short and to the point.
Yeah.
What happens to my guilty plea or verdict? The criminalization law Murphy signed assigns the administrative office of the courts the task of vacating verdicts, pleas, and placements on divisionary programs in cases before February 22nd, 2021, which was the day Murphy signed the legislation. The law was also to vacate convictions, remaining sentences, ongoing supervision, or unpaid court fines for those convicted under previous laws. The Attorney General's office has a list online of former crimes affected by decriminalization, including possession and being under the influence. Wow, they I need to know if anyone has been arrested for that. I have never even heard of that being like a real thing. But yo,
Yeah, hell yeah.
if my case is pending, prosecution.
Wait, hold on. So before this one, pretty much saying if you have an old charge, it's gone.
Yeah, dismissals. Yeah, because right here, that's why right here, if your case is pending, prosecutors have to.
No, I'm not pending. I'm talking about like 10 years ago.
Oh, the law will also vacate convictions, remaining sentences, ongoing supervision, or unpaid court fines for those convicted under previous law.
So it's gone.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Oh, okay. All right. I see why you was like, I'm just making sure.
Yeah.
Just making sure. All right, say less. We just double check. We had to double back, spin the block on that one. Prosecutors have to seek dismissal on any pending charges in cases involving the one-time crimes under the Attorney General's guidance. What is illegal? You can't possess. That's a great question. You can't possess more than 6 ounces in the state. If you do, it's a 4th-degree crime, which could carry up to an 18-month sentence. Anything over 6 ounces, they're putting you in jail.
Yeah, but a 4th-degree crime, really getting an 18-month prison sentence is very rare.
That's super hard. 4th degree,
that's the lowest of the lowest.
Yeah, that's almost like people's court. Only thing lower is people's court.
Supposed to be.
Yeah.
But not to put me on blast, but I got a 4th-degree crime that I'm fighting right now, and it's in Superior Court.
I didn't even know it was 4th degree.
And it's in High Court, Superior Court. And not to go off topic, but yo, it's some wild shit. I gotta bring it up. So.
Please do.
The dude before me in court got bagged with the intent to distribute heroin and crack. So he had enough to catch the intent to distribute charge.
Yeah.
The judge downgraded it and sent it to municipal court. So he's going to be in there with like traffic violators with intent to distribute. I'm thinking he running his mouth. Smoked. He running his mouth.
He probably did. Shit be told.
Yeah. You got intent to distribute heroin and cook up crack.
Yeah.
And it got downgraded to municipal.
No, he talking.
Come on now.
I don't want to assume, but
and you know what I'm going there for. It's bullshit.
Yeah, some light shit, bro.
Yeah, and I'm staying in Superior Court. So when I heard that, I thought it was getting thrown out. Yeah. And they called my name. I went. Then they said, next court day, Superior Court is not getting downgraded. I'm like, what? Like, yo, I should have got caught with some drugs.
It's like you have one person destroying the community and it gets downgraded. You have one person uplifting the community and it gets like, they're trying to crucify you. Like, that's the part that like blows my brain to be into bizarredom. Like, how does this downnamic even? Like, you get what I'm saying? Because I'm in the same boat.
I didn't understand. Yo, when I heard decriminalizing old boy, downgraded old boy, I'm like, yo, they about to throw my shit. They not even gonna look at me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, facts.
And then 52 fake out, yeah.
Oh man,
it's what it is though. We gonna beat that shit.
Here come these fuckers, B. But fucking, let's keep it going.
But yeah, what's it say? Distributing 25 pounds or more.
Yeah,
5 pounds or more hash.
Yeah,
1st degree.
First degree. Damn. Yeah, that got upgraded quickly. Hold on. Let's not glance over that. So we just went from a 4th degree crime if you have over 6 ounces. You can't possess more than 6 ounces. If you do, it's a 4th degree crime, which can carry up to 18 months in jail if you carry. But if you're distributing 25 pounds or more, so anything under 25 pounds, I guess you're clean, or 5 pounds or more of hashish, okay, just keep like 3 pounds on deck, 4 pounds on deck. You feel me? But is a first degree crime and the most serious state under state law for distributing 5 pounds or more of marijuana. 5 pounds or more of marijuana, 1 pound or half a kilogram of hashish, you could face 2nd degree charges. Distributing a pound of marijuana or 5 grams, 17 ounces of hashish is less than a 3rd degree crime. Oh, wait. That was a lot right there. I said that too fast. Hashish. All right, so if you do 25 pounds, 25 pounds or 5 pound or 5 or more pounds of hash, that's a 1st degree crime. That the most serious under state law. Cool. So that's going to be the most harshest penalty. If you do 5 pounds of hash, 25 pounds of bud.
So anything less than 25 pounds of weed
and 5 pounds of hash is not.
Well, I'm saying if I got 23 pounds, it's not a 1st degree, right?
Yeah. So I think you got to hit that gray area. Stay under like 15 if you're going to be playing in that ballpark. But I know it's hard to, because if you're already making that type of money, you feel me? Another 10, 15 pounds is the difference of like, that's another probably 20, 30 grand a month.
Yeah.
You feel me? So it's hard to really, so I'm not going to tell you, just to be safe.
Well, just saying distributing a pound is less than a 3rd degree.
Yeah. So for distributing 5 pounds or more of marijuana or 1 pound of hash, you could face a 2nd degree charge. Okay, so no, they're still coming for you for 5 pounds or more. So like, yeah, so fuck what I just said. Keep that shit under 5 pounds. But let's go. Distributing a pound of marijuana or 5 grams of hashish or less is a 3rd degree crime. Okay. No, so if you're pushing weight, period, they're coming for you.
Yeah.
I guess you just got to do under
Distributing
QP.
large amounts of marijuana is still criminal.
Oh, hold on. Wait, let me move down. Yeah, you're right. Sales of small amounts of marijuana, meaning an ounce or less, carry a written warning for the first. Wow. Sales of small amounts of marijuana, meaning an ounce or less. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
A 2nd offense carries. Okay, so this, like, I only pause because I'm right here. This is like the gray area. So you can have up to 6 ounces on you, but the moment you sell it, so I guess everything has to be for personal use. Because the moment you turn into like, yo, I got that gas, then you get hit with 6 ounces. That's a QP. That's still under the penalty, so they're not going to hit you with a.
I'm selling this glass jar right here, and it comes with this free of charge.
Free of charge. You just pay for the glass jar and the humidity pack.
So that could work.
That definitely will. If you like DC, we're gifting.
Yeah.
Just start gifting out here, people. Just start gifting. That's all. That's all. Jersey, we told you here first. Get your gift on.
Yeah.